MRReP, Mixed Reality-Based Hand-Drawn Reference Path Editing Interface for Mobile Robot Navigation. We propose MRReP. The core concept of the proposed system is the Hand-Drawn Reference Path, or HRP. An HRP is a continuous path specified directly in the real environment. The user observes the physical scene through a HoloLens 2. Then, the user draws the intended path on the physical floor by using hand gestures. MRReP provides three fundamental functions for handling HRP. The add function creates a new HRP. The clear function removes previously created HRP. The send function transmits the specified path to ROS 2. In this process, path information flows from the user to the HoloLens 2, then to ROS 2, and finally to the mobile robot.